Welcome back to another Google Classroom tutorial. In this one, I'm going to show you the basics of how to post to your Google Classroom stream. So we're at my home page here, and you can see all my classes. I'm gonna go ahead and practice on the tester class that I created in the last tutorial video. So right now my class is very, very plain, and you can see that there's nothing in my stream, and it's suggesting, okay, what do you want to put here? It's saying here's what you can put. So if you want to do a new post and get some information out to your students, you go to this little plus in the circle down at the bottom of the screen, and then all your posting options come up. So you've got several different ones to use. Create announcement, create assignment, create question, and then reuse post. So we'll just kind of work our way up from here, and we will see how each of these work. So this video will focus on creating an announcement. So if we click create an announcement, this is just a very, very basic. It's if you think about like updating your status on Facebook or just a basic tweet. That's what this is. So I might put out for my class just a welcome message. Welcome back to school. Okay, and then if I click post, that's it. It pops up in my feed. Now I've noticed it does take a little bit for students' feeds to update, but if they hit the refresh button, they'll get a brand new page right away. So I usually have them just hit refresh when I'm doing this in front of them. Okay, so let's go back to announcement again, and we'll create another announcement, and we will look at some of the different options that are in here this time. So I'm just going to call this tester post, and then let's take a look. So topics is something I haven't done yet, but what's kind of neat is you can create topics within, and these are kind of like if you think about like tags or hashtags. So we can tag our different posts, and so maybe I'm doing this class and I'm doing like tutorials, and then I assume that there's, like I said, I haven't used this one yet, but I assume that there's an option then to search for different tags for students if they want to look for a specific topic. So tutorials, and then you'll notice down here, let's look at these different options I've got. I've got upload a file to attach. I've got attach an item from Google Drive. I've got link to a YouTube video, and I've got link to just any website or web link that's out there. So let's kind of go through each of these, and we'll look at how they work. If you think the paperclip looks familiar, it's probably because you see a similar one in your email. And this is, again, you're just linking a file. The first thing that comes up is upload, so you can upload stuff from your computer, files that are on your computer that maybe aren't on your Google Drive. Recent is stuff that you've recently used in your Google Drive. My Drive, it just gives you access to your entire Google Drive. And starred is if you have anything starred, which I only accidentally have things starred. So let's look at the upload first. So say you've got a picture you want to get to your students. We select files to upload, and then you'll see this is my downloads page on my folder, which I got like a ton of junk in here. But we can then put up any sort of picture that we want. So let's just do for now, how about maybe I want to give the students our school logo. So I find that JPEG and I click it. And you can see I have the option to add more files, so I can do more than one at once if I want to, but I'm just going to stick with this one for now, and I'm going to go to upload. Takes a little bit, depending on your internet connection. Bada bing, bada boom. Now, when students get this post, they'll have that picture link. Let's try to do a Google Doc. So I'm going to go ahead and click my Google Drive, and I'm going to click, let's say we've got our a PDF of our student handbook that's in my drive right now. So I'm going to go ahead and I will click add that. And then you'll see if you link to something in your Google Drive, there's absolutely no upload time because it's just putting in a hyperlink to that document from my drive, so that's kind of nice. So I would recommend that you get as much stuff in your Google Drive as possible, and it will make this process just quicker and easier. But that's not required. Okay, so we've done an attachment, we've done a file from our Google Doc. Let's do a YouTube video. So if we click add video from YouTube, you can see I can just straight up search for videos on YouTube, or I can actually paste in the URL to the video. So I'm going to just do a quick search here, and we'll just say, let's see, Google, how, why use Google Classroom. Okay, and then it comes up with a bunch of like Google Classroom tutorials. I was hoping that the one that I made before would come up, but since I just posted it, probably has like no views, so it probably won't come up. Or it'd be like way down here at the bottom. So anyway, we'll just click this top one, Google Classroom Tutorial 2015. Click add. Now I've linked to that video. It's important to note that if YouTube is blocked at your organization, this does not get around that, unfortunately. So you still have to be able to access YouTube in order to watch these. So like at our school, currently YouTube's blocked for students, but I still put YouTube videos up here in case students want to rewatch them at home, and just to organize myself for the day. Like I kind of link any videos that I'm going to have students watch in class for the day. Very last thing we've got is just a link, just a hyperlink. And again, this can be any link on the web to any website you want. So a lot of times I link to like articles and things I want students to read that are science related. But in this case, I've got my Twitter pulled up on another page here, so I'm just going to go ahead and post the link to my Twitter account. And then for the link, you have to click add. And then, so now we've kind of we've attached each of kind of the different file options that we've got. So again, the top was just an image file that we uploaded. Then we've got a PDF that was linked in my Google Drive. We searched and linked a YouTube video, and then we just linked to a regular old website. So if I click post, well, let's talk about post here real quick before I do that. You'll notice this arrow next to post. I just want to show you that you can schedule this for a specific time, or what's kind of handy is you can save a draft, in which case I can have like a post ready to go, and then when I'm ready for it in class, I can pull it up and then make it live. But I don't want to do that right now. I'm just going to go ahead and post. So went ahead and post. And this is the first time I use this class, so it's telling me I can filter my stream by topics since I started using that. So that's kind of cool. So that's where you find that, which I didn't know. And it says you can rename and delete topics. So that's cool. I think I'll probably use that this year. But you can see now that I got my different file types up here. I can click these and we'll see what happens. So if I click the image file, boom, it just pulls up the image. Okay. If I click the PDF file, boom, it just pulls up the PDF. If I click the YouTube video, it pulls up YouTube ready to watch. And you notice I'm just clicking off of it. And the website last fall, if I click that one, it will open up a new tab with that web link in it. And I'll just go ahead and close that. So there's kind of your basics of all the different file types that can go into a regular post. In the next videos, we will go back and we will be looking at how to create an assignment, how to create a question, and how to reuse a post. Again, please get in touch with me if you have any questions about this process. Otherwise, good luck and thanks for watching.